Building your team's schedule should be quick, simple, and reliable. With Clover Scheduling by Homebase, you can plan your week, fill open shifts, and share it all with your team in just a few clicks. A clear, published schedule keeps your team aligned and your business running smoothly. When your schedule lives in Clover, your team always knows where to look. Plus, you always have visibility into who is working and when they start. To begin, click Employees on the left side of your screen, then click Scheduling. Across the top, you'll see your weekly view. Use the arrows to move between weeks or click the date selector for a custom range. Down the left side, you'll see your team members. The View By menu can be used to sort your team by first name, last name, department, role, or a custom order. To create a shift, click an empty cell next to a team member's name on the day you want to schedule them. Then, enter the start time, end time, and the role they'll be working. Next, select which days of the week you would like to apply the shifts to. You can also add a note to the shift. These notes will only appear for the employee whose shift it belongs to. When you're done, click Add at the bottom. The shift will appear on the schedule, but it won't be visible to your team until you publish. Once a shift is created, it can be copied, pasted, and moved around without having to rebuild it from scratch. To copy a shift, right-click it and select Copy. Then click any empty cell and paste it in. You can also click and drag a shift from one day to another, or between employees. After, you can modify or adjust any shift you need to before publishing. To clear the schedule, in the top right, click Tools. Then go to Delete, select Unpublished Changes, and click Yes once prompted. If your schedule hasn't changed since the last one you published, you can quickly copy it to your current week. Click Tools in the top right, then click Copy Week 2. Next, select what type of shifts you would like to include in the new schedule. Adjust the date range, then click Copy Week. You can also create open shifts if needed. Open shifts are shifts that haven't been assigned to anyone yet. To create one, click on any empty cell in the Open Shifts row at the top of the schedule. Then, enter all the details for the shift. Once published, eligible team members will be notified and can claim the shift directly from their phone. You'll get a notification when someone claims it, and you can approve or deny the request. Open shifts are a quick way to fill coverage gaps without sending a flood of text to your team. You can also mark events on your schedule. This could be a holiday party, a limited time promotion, or anything else unique you want the entire team to see. To create one, click the plus icon in an empty event under the date it needs to be created for. Then provide the name of the event, add any details your team needs to know about, and click Add Event to finish. Unlike shifts, events don't need to be published. They automatically apply once created. You can easily delete or edit an event by clicking on it directly. If your schedule looks similar each week, applying templates can give you hours of time back in your day. Click Tools in the top right, then click Manage Templates. From here, you can save your current schedule as a template, name it, and reuse it. Now, to apply your new template, open the week you are scheduling for. Click Apply Template from the pop-out on the right. Then, select the newly created template from the list and click Apply. The system will drop every shift into place, and you can adjust from there. Once your schedule is ready, click Publish in the top right. You'll see a summary of every shift, including any changes since the last time it was sent out. Then, choose who on your team will get notified, either by text, email, or push notification. Lastly, click Publish Schedule. Your team members will receive a text with all of their shifts, and they can also view them in their mobile app. And that's everything needed to build and manage your schedule on Clover.